More showers and thunderstorms, and then this could carry on as we head into your Sunday as well. So truth be told, folks, the next week or so, we do have a little bit more of an active weather pattern in place. Wouldn't necessarily say that I'm overly concerned about the risk for severe weather, but the potential for some stronger storms does exist. We're going to continue to see that main risk off to our west today. Tomorrow, that level 1 risk, it gets pushed right over here across East Tennessee. Timing of these storms and really what we see throughout the afternoon is going to be a big factor in determining the strength that we have of this system that's going to be sliding through. We'll start off fairly dry as we go into the start of your Saturday. Here comes this line of showers and thunderstorms. It's forecast to move into the area tomorrow night. And as we head into the early hours of your Sunday, I don't really expect to see much activity into the afternoon, so that is going to give us a little bit more of an unstable atmosphere tomorrow evening. If we do see any strong to severe thunderstorms, the biggest concern is going to be gusty winds, heavy rain, and then the potential for seeing some small hail. So welcome to spring, folks. Rain chances will stick around and potential for some showers and some thunderstorms that are going to be pushing into the region. The main risk for seeing strong to severe thunderstorms is to our west, but tomorrow, that risk slides here across East Tennessee, and we have that level 1 potential for seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms. As we highlight your future cast, you'll watch this cold front as it continues to slide closer to us here across East Tennessee. I will say that the risk for severe weather looks to be a little bit more heightened off to our west. You can kind of see this bowing effect that we have here with this line. This is indicating some of those strong gusty winds. We'll continue to monitor this as it does slide into East Tennessee. While I am expecting the potential for a few kind of stronger storms, we'll see if we can get those up to severe level. Cold front moves through. We have a few more lingering showers that we watch into your Sunday. Sunday trends just a little bit cooler, and then we warm back up into the early part of next week. We are going to continue to see more rain on the way. It's a little bit more of an unsettled weather pattern. Not complaining about how much rain we're going to have in place, but just know if you do have any spring break plans next week, you might just want to keep those umbrellas on standby. So again, a few spotty showers head to your Friday. Meteorologist Rebecca Sweet here. As we highlight your temperatures, we're going to continue to see highs today back into the 80s. Similar story as we head throughout the day tomorrow, as we could have another day with near record-breaking temperatures across the region. We'll be a little bit cooler as we head into your Sunday, still seeing some scattered showers in place, but in general, folks, it looks like a really solid forecast is on the way. Greatest threat for severe weather is off to our west today. We do watch the potential for some of those strong to severe thunderstorms trying to slide into our region tomorrow. With that being said, as we put your future cast into motion, you can see that we watch this cold front that's going to be sliding into our region. Frontal boundary going to bring in likely a little bit of a better chance for some stronger storms to our west, but come tomorrow night, we may have some isolated showers and thunderstorms that get to be on the stronger side. Moderate to heavy rain, gusty winds, and looking at the potential for some small hail. This model in particular doesn't show a ton of rain on Sunday, but with cloud cover and some lingering showers, it could be trending just a little bit cooler, but still above average. We'll stay into the 70s and 80s as we head throughout the rest of the week in the lower 60s. That's a look at your forecast. We're going to continue to have much more coming up as we send things back to you, Brittany.
Rebecca, thank you. And you
radar right now, we do have the main risk for severe weather today off to our west. Tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center does have our viewing area now under a level 1 risk. This includes all of the entire state of Tennessee. I'd say that the risk for severe weather across Tennessee looks to be a little bit more heightened, especially for areas across parts of West and Middle Tennessee, so closer to around the Memphis area. That's where you can see this kind of bowing effect that we have with this line of storms. So this indicates the potential for seeing some gusty winds. This line will continue to slide through as we head throughout the evening hours tomorrow night. It kind of moderate to heavy rain, some gusty winds, as well as the potential for up to quarter-size hail. On the backside of this system, a few lingering showers carry on as we go into your Sunday. Next week, looks like we could have a little bit more of an unsettled weather pattern with more rain on the way. Highs get back in as possible. It might be a great night to cool off and go watch the Ice Bears. Following the game, temperatures will remain mild this evening. We'll continue to have much more as we highlight the end of your week forecast and your weekend coming up. to be sliding into the region. We still have some showers and thunderstorms up into the Ohio Valley. I know that this area is like, oh, come on, give me a break. We need some drier weather. We'll start to see a little bit of a change to our pattern, perhaps maybe by the middle part of next week. But up until that point, it does look like we're going to be a little bit more on the active side. So much so that the Storm Prediction Center tomorrow does have a level 1 risk that includes all of East Tennessee. I don't foresee much in the form of precipitation today. In fact, I took off rain chances on your Friday, but tomorrow you can see that we have this cold front that's going to be sliding into the region, and this cold front's expected to bring in this line of showers and thunderstorms. You notice that bowing effect that we have to our west that indicates the potential for some gusty winds. This system does break down just a little bit by the time it pushes its way into East Tennessee, but I still expect to see the opportunity for some stronger storms, maybe even some gusty winds, perhaps some small hail, and could see some heavy rain. Speaking of which, we do have some rain showers in the forecast within the next couple of days, and then